Number 15. Apple. In 2014, Apple launched a secret car project called Project Titan, hiring hundreds of engineers with one ambition: turn the car into a computing platform the way it had conquered the phone. By 2017, Apple was testing autonomous vehicles on California roads. Then, everything fell apart. Its self-driving results ranked among the worst in the industry. Its lead engineer walked out and joined Ford. By February 2024, the entire project was canceled and the team was moved to artificial intelligence. A decade of work, billions of dollars spent, not one car ever shown to the public. Number 14. Google. In 2009, Google launched a self-driving car program inside its secretive X lab with one goal: remove human error from driving. By 2015, a legally blind man named Steve Mahan sat in the back of a fully driverless vehicle on a public road. No safety driver, no controls, going wherever he wanted for the very first time in his life. By 2018, Google's spin-off Waymo had launched a commercial robo-taxi service. By 2023, it had completed over 7 million driverless miles and outperformed human safety benchmarks. Of every company on this list, Google alone turned its car ambition into a real, operating business. Number 13. Amazon. Amazon acquired robotaxi startup Zoox in June 2020, and 6 months later, Zoox revealed something that shocked the industry: no steering wheel, no pedals, no front or back. It drove equally well in both directions, reached 75 miles per hour, and seated passengers facing each other like a carriage. The problem was the law. United States federal safety regulations were written for cars with human drivers. A vehicle with no steering wheel violated multiple federal standards. As of March 2026, regulators were still reviewing Zoox's petition to deploy 2,500 of these annually. Amazon's car is not waiting for technology. It is waiting for the law. Number 12. SONY. At the Consumer Electronics Show in January 2020, SONY unveiled a full-size drivable electric sedan called the Vision S, complete with dual 200-kilowatt motors, massive cabin displays, 360-degree sensing, and PlayStation streaming built in. By late 2020, it was testing on European public roads. By 2022, SONY announced a joint venture with Honda called SONY Honda Mobility. The world assumed this was the start of something enormous. Then in January 2026, SONY Honda Mobility showed a new prototype and spoke about imminent deliveries. 8 weeks later, on March 25, 2026, they canceled both vehicles entirely. 6 years of development, gone in 8 weeks. Number 11. Samsung. Almost nobody knows Samsung once tried to become a car company. In 1994, Samsung Group established Samsung Motors with factories and genuine ambition to challenge Korea's established automakers. Then the Asian financial crisis hit and Samsung Motors collapsed. Renault acquired the wreckage and rebuilt it as Renault Samsung Motors. The resulting sedan, the SM3, sold across Korea for nearly 2 decades. The remarkable part, Samsung's name stayed on the cars for over 20 years after Renault took full control, purely because the brand was that powerful in Korea. It was not until March 2022 that the Samsung name was finally dropped. Almost nobody outside Korea ever knew. Number 10. Dyson. James Dyson built a fortune-making vacuum cleaners desirable, and then decided to do the same to the electric car. In September 2017, he announced a battery electric vehicle program backed by hundreds of engineers and solid-state battery technology he believed would outperform every rival. By October 2018, his board approved a dedicated factory in Singapore. Then on October 10, 2019, Dyson canceled everything. The reason was devastating. The car was not commercially viable, and he could not find a single buyer for the project. He tried to sell it. Nobody wanted it. World-class vacuum engineering meant nothing against automotive manufacturing economics. Number 9. XIAOMI. This story starts with a geopolitical shock. In early 2021, the United States government added XIAOMI to a military blacklist. The stock collapsed. According to Reuters, that crisis pushed XIAOMI's chief executive to commit the company to building electric cars. The sanctions were later reversed. By then, Xiaomi had already decided. In December 2023, it unveiled the SU7 sedan, claiming a range of 800 kilometers and performance rivaling Tesla and Porsche. Over 70,000 customers locked in orders within days of launch. Then, on March 29, 2025, a Xiaomi SU7 crashed in assisted driving mode and 3 people died. In under 12 months, Xiaomi had inherited every question that haunts every automaker in the world. Number 8. Huawei. Before we reveal the final 7, consider this. Huawei never wanted to build a car. It wanted to become the brain inside every car it never built. Starting in 2019, Huawei launched a smart automotive unit supplying driving systems and cockpit software to Chinese automakers, with automotive revenue growing 72% in 2025 alone. But problems surfaced fast. A manufacturing partner blamed Huawei's computing unit for delaying key deliveries. Fatal crashes involving Huawei-backed vehicles triggered safety investigations. Regulators then forced Huawei to sell its own brand name to its manufacturing partner. Huawei set out to be invisible. The consequences proved that invisible forces cast very visible shadows. Number 7. FOXCONN. FOXCONN assembles devices for Apple and Sony and decided the same contract manufacturing model should apply to cars. In October 2020, it launched MIH, an open-source electric vehicle platform any automaker could license and build on. By March 2022, its electric bus had been delivered to a real operator in Taiwan. Its SUV concept became a retail vehicle, reaching customers in early 2024. By March 2025, Reuters reported Foxconn had struck an electric vehicle production deal with Mitsubishi. Foxconn is not trying to become the next Tesla. It is trying to become the factory that builds every Tesla rival. The company that builds your smartphone may soon build your car. Number 6. Panasonic. Panasonic never put its logo on a car. In 2014, Panasonic and Tesla agreed to co-produce battery cells at the Nevada Gigafactory. By July 2025, Panasonic had opened a second battery factory in Kansas, targeting 32 gigawatt-hours of annual output. It also signed a deal to supply batteries to Amazon's Zoox robotaxi program from 2026. In September 2025, Reuters reported Panasonic was developing a new anode-free lithium metal battery targeting completion by end of 2027, a technology that could transform energy density across the entire industry. No Panasonic car has ever existed, yet without Panasonic, a very large portion of today's electric vehicles could not have been built. Number 5. LG. LG went even deeper into the vehicle. In 2021, LG formed a joint venture with Magna International called LG Magna e-Powertrain, dedicated to manufacturing electric motors, inverters, and fully integrated drive systems. LG had already been a core technology partner on the Chevrolet Bolt. Then came the consequences. In 2024, General Motors and LG settled to create a $150 million relief fund for Bolt owners after battery-related fire recalls. LG is a name most people associate with televisions and kitchen appliances. Quietly, it became one of the organizations most responsible for whether electric vehicles move at all, and sometimes for whether they catch fire. Number 4. BAIDU. BAIDU launched its Apollo autonomous driving platform in 2017 and built it into a commercial robotaxi service running across multiple Chinese cities. In July 2022, BAIDU revealed a purpose-built robotaxi with a detachable steering wheel and a unit cost of just $37,000, making mass deployment economically viable for the first time anywhere in the world. Then, on April 1, 2026, a software failure caused over 100 Apollo robotaxis to simultaneously stop in the middle of roads across Wuhan, blocking entire districts at once. No injuries, but the world had just witnessed what happens when an autonomous fleet fails at scale. Number 3. IKEA. IKEA did not build a consumer car, but in June 2020, IKEA published results from real prototype testing with Renault and MAN, developing electric delivery vehicles built specifically around flat-pack furniture loading requirements. Existing electric vans simply did not work. By 2022, IKEA committed to zero-emission electric trucks for all heavy freight by 2040. You may have seen a viral flat-pack car concept with IKEA branding online. That was a student design project, never real. The actual IKEA story is quieter and far more consequential. A company serving hundreds of millions of homes is reshaping how urban delivery vehicles are engineered worldwide. Number 2. ACER. In July 2015, ACER created a subsidiary called MPS Energy with one mission: enter the vehicle power field. 3 months later, it revealed a prototype electric all-terrain vehicle in Munich called the X-Terran, with a battery system housing 3 packs totaling 8.7 kilowatt-hours. But Acer's own announcement barely mentioned the vehicle. It focused entirely on the battery intelligence and cloud connectivity inside it. After 2015, the X-Terran completely disappeared. No production, no follow-up model. Acer quietly redirected that expertise into electric bicycles and scooters instead. The X-Terran was not Acer's first car. It was Acer discovering it never actually wanted to build one. Number 1. Kalashnikov. In August 2018, Kalashnikov, the Russian company behind the AK-47, unveiled an electric vehicle prototype called the CV-1, claiming 350 kilometers of range, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6 seconds, and a revolutionary new inverter. Headlines worldwide declared Russia's most famous weapons manufacturer was challenging Tesla. Then nothing happened. No factory, no production, no deliveries. The CV-1 became one of the most viral automotive stories of 2018 and one of the least followed through in history. Every company on this list discovered the same truth. Building a prototype is an act of ambition, but building a car that millions of people trust with their lives is something else entirely. That gap humbled Apple, broke DYSON, and silenced Kalashnikov. The car is the hardest product ever built. Nothing has changed that.